Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Legal & General Review My Usage Experience. Legal & General Review My Usage Experience appears to be a service designed to help individuals review their existing legal and general products, potentially including life insurance, pensions, and investments. It likely aims to give users a clearer picture of their financial situation with Legal & General and potentially identify areas for improvement or adjustment. Key features might include account summaries, policy details, and potentially online management tools. Their website likely provides further details on the specific products covered. The service aims to offer a convenient way to manage and review your legal and general products, ideally with easy-to-understand information and potentially tools for making adjustments. It's likely positioned as a time-saving and empowering tool, helping customers stay informed and on top of their financial well-being. Information regarding specific pricing or contract details would be available on their website. Availability should also be detailed on the Legal & General website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Legal & General Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I logged in using my existing Legal & General credentials, and the system quickly pulled up a summary of my policies. The interface was clean and well organized, making it easy to navigate between different products, like my life insurance and pension. Clicking on each product revealed more detailed information, such as the policy number, coverage amounts, premium payments, and investment performance. I particularly liked the interactive charts visualizing my pension growth over time. I could easily adjust the timeframes to get a better sense of the long-term projections. One particularly helpful feature was the ability to download annual statements and other important documents directly from the portal. Performance-wise, the site was responsive and reliable. I never experienced any lag or downtime. I did have a quick question about my life insurance beneficiaries and reached out to their customer support via the online form. They responded within a day via email, answering my question clearly and concisely. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it simple to find exactly the information I needed. The standout feature for me was definitely the consolidated view of all my legal and general products in one place. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have been convenient for accessing information on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings within my pension plan details, as some of the terminology was quite specific. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Legal & General Review service. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided a much more convenient way to manage my accounts. That's my overview of Legal & General Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.